So guys, my place right now has a big giant thunderstorm. You can hear the rumbling. Can't face reveal, guys. I'm so sorry. But I will at some point soon. Stop though! There you go. If I do swear, please tell me in the comments. Ah. That. It's only the sky you guys will see ever in your entire lives, guys. Flash. And then we have a big giant river near my house. Have fun. Here it goes. Right? So YouTube, this is the thunderstorm of my life. My life. I can't. Jesus. No, guys. My dad called me, but I'm never stopping. This video will go viral in this thunderstorm of all of Swindon, my country, my place. I never knew a thunderstorm would come till today. For a real person. He's recording. This recording never stops. Okay. Sky. The weird colour. Guys, I'll see that. Thunderstorms are inside the clouds, but the lightning is faster than sound. Lightning's faster than sound. So guys, it's recording. And it will go viral. It should. If it doesn't, I'll be happy for you guys. But when you guys did like, answer, no, subscribe to me. Why? Alright guys, like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.